Hi, Vitalia. You are right. Those should be showing the students with the quizzes should show the students with their answers. So I'm going to show you how it looks like the first quiz is not set up right. So I will let our designer know that, but let me show you what's going on here. So if you will go under assessments and go to quizzes, I'm going to show you how to fix that. For example, I'm just going to go to quiz 5 and show you something. So I'm going to go into edit quiz 5, and go to submission views, and you'll see that the default view should be show them immediately all their questions with their responses, but it won't show them the answers to everything. So it'll show the questions with their responses, and that's what it should be set to, which I think is fair enough. And then they can take notes on that and do the quiz again if they need to. So for some reason, quiz 1 is not set up that way. So I want you to go to assessments and quizzes. Go to quiz 1 and edit it. Go to submission views, and you'll see that it's not even showing them the questions. So just click on default view there, and so they will see as soon as they take it that your quiz has been submitted successfully, and you want to click on yes, show all questions with user responses, and that's it. That's basically what the problem was. You can click on the score. It'll show them their score and the overall attempt score, but not any of this other stuff. And then just click Save down at the bottom, and now you'll see that the submission view for quiz 1 is as such. Real quick, and I saved it. I'm going to click Save and Close again. And then real quick, I'm going to just check quiz 2 while I'm in here real quick. So quiz 2, I'm going to edit real quick and just check and make sure that one's right. I checked some of the other ones, but I didn't check the second one. Yeah, everything looks okay there. So they will immediately see all their questions with their responses. So that's all. I hope that helps. I just found it easiest to make a quick video for you. Just let me know any other questions that you have. I'm happy to help. Bye.